Hi, I'd like to do a quick demonstration for using Smart Migration from IQPass and to migrate a virtual container for Windows to Hyper-V based virtual machine. So you can see I have a virtual environment here, and I have a 5 container running. And let me get into one of the containers, CT101, and we will see what's there. So first I want to show you is I have additional user created called Smart Migration. Okay, so after migrate, and we should be able to see the same user into target migrated virtual machines. And also I have WordPress up running, and which is a PHP app running MySQL as the backend. And also I have .NET Nuke. It's ASP.NET application running ASP.NET 3.51, and the backend is MySQL Server Express 2008. Okay, so let me just submit comments here, so we should see the comments also got to migrate over. Okay, let me just submit it. Okay, so we're done here, and let me launch the Smart Migration tool. One of the component there called Smart Migration Agent for virtual container. You can see there's 5 container listing, and so I select this one, and I will just select build a migration package, and we can start the migration process. Okay, so and they will ask me to shut down the virtual container. I will click yes, so they will do that process. Okay, the container is stopped, so let me give it a pass. I will put in network storage so we can access the package easily. So I will see the code demo 101. Okay, so let's start the process. Okay, so the exporting process is done. It's taking 8 minutes, 54, 1 seconds. So, and depends on the size of your container, so that time could vary. So, okay, and let's start the second step of the migration process. So before we start migrate, and I want to show you, and I have a pre-built virtual machine called Smart Migration Demo, and which is just a blank Windows 2003 R2 image and matching the virtual container. So you can see, and I don't have a Smart Migration user exist, and I don't have any WordPress and .NET application exist on this image. Okay, let me just shut down the machine, and so we can start the migration process. Okay, the machine shut down, so let's launch this Smart Migration tool. And so you can see I select the package, I export it, and also point the virtual machine Smart Migration Demo, the disk. Here's the virtual disk. So I can just simply click migrate, and there are a couple options. So you can keep the source machine TCP/IP setting, or you keep a target machine TCP/IP setting. Also, you can override the gateway and the subnet in case the machine live in a different network environment. So I will just keep the target machine TCP/IP setting, and just simply click start migration, and we'll come back when the machine is migrated. Okay, so the migration process is done, and you can tell taking 12 minutes, 51 seconds. So let's close this, and so we can start our virtual machine and see what has been migrated. Okay, let's reactivate it, and so quickly. No. Okay, successfully. Okay, let's check the user is bringing over. So we can see here, okay, smart migration is here, and let's check the what price. Also, let's check the .NET Nook. So this is bring over. Let's check our comments. You see, too cool is here. So everything is migrated and including application users. So the smart migration really is a great tool for help you to migrate virtual container to Microsoft Hyper-V based virtual machine. Thanks for watching.